saw my face and asked if I was okay. They think that I should be over it by now. I know that it's true and I will soon learn how, but right now you linger like a ghost lost in time. You linger quietly in the depths of my mind. You linger like gentle whispers in the night. You linger like smoke, like mist in twilight. It's easy sometimes to just let it be, knowing that we sang different melodies. But then a memory will hit me so sweet, taking me to where joy and misery meet. You linger like a ghost lost in time. You linger quietly in the depths of my mind. You linger like gentle whispers in the night. You linger like smoke, like mist in twilight. So I keep these feelings of you tucked away. The debt of loving you is mine to pay. So I will carry the burden of what loving you cost, and reconcile the balance of what I gained and lost. But for now, you linger like a ghost lost in time. You linger quietly in the depths of my mind. You linger like gentle whispers in the night. You linger like smoke, like mist in twilight. You linger like smoke.